What's going on YouTube? GeoSn right here. So a brand new semi-jailbreak has been released, and this one is called Nathanler, and it's available over here on Nathan's account. And this one is like a combination of Roothide Bootstrap plus Serotonin, but all in one application. Michael made it very clear in here. Nathanler, aka Rootless Bootstrap plus Serotonin, but as one app and with some diamond injection, has released. Supports devices that do not support dopamine on iOS 16.5.1 all the way up to 16.6.1. So if you cannot jailbreak your device with dopamine on iOS 16.5.1, iOS 16.6 or iOS 16.6.1, then you can jailbreak it with this tool. And now this does support all devices including A16, A13, A12, A15, stuff like that. And as I said, it's like a combination of Roothide Bootstrap and Serotonin. We did have this kind of tools before. Serotonin could do the same thing, well, most of it, but you had to install two separate things. You had to install Roothide Bootstrap first, and then you had to install Serotonin, and combine them into a semi-jailbreak. Now this tool is essentially that combined into one application with some extra features, and that's it. You just install one application and you press Bootstrap. Nathan says in here, once jailbroken, click Sileo and upgrade all packages immediately. And they also mention in here that if you are already bootstrapped with Roothide Bootstrap, so this one over here, you should uninstall it first. You can find the TIPA file directly on Nathan's post. I'm going to link it down below, and you can install it with TrollStore. So yeah, if dopamine is not available for your device, at least on iOS 16.5.1 all the way up to iOS 16.6.1, definitely get that one. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSn. Till the next time, peace out.